If you worked in Excel, then you most probably use the transpose option in Paste Special. It is a very useful utility. However, it is dependent on you manually copying and transposing the data. In the Microsoft 365 release, Excel has introduced a function to transpose data. And no points for guessing, this function is called transpose. Let's take a look at this function. In the first example, we will transpose rows to columns. Transpose. Array is the only parameter and we'll provide the range A2 to A7 here. Close the bracket and we get our result. It's as simple as that. In the next example, we will transpose columns to rows. Transpose. For array, we will provide B1 to G1. And we get the results in rows. For a final example, we'll transpose the entire table or matrix. In the cell D5, let's write transpose. For array, we will provide A1 to B7. And we have the transpose of the entire table. As you would have figured out by now, the transpose function uses the dynamic arrays. If dynamic arrays are new to you, then please see the link to our playlist on dynamic arrays. The link will be in the description. And that's it for transpose in this video. I will see you in the next one. Do subscribe to our channel in case you want to see what's latest in Excel. Bye for now.